instructions which the 3D printer understands. Like the layer height, all the calibrations which we did, layer height, and you remember that you said the layer height to 0.3 millimeters, perimeter 3, top solid there, everything, the infill, and everything. So these are the G-codes which the 3D printer understands. So I'm now running the job like I'm start printing. Before printing, you have to spray the print bed.
Think hanging from it.
Because I know the way the object is laid in the print bed, like it's going to be laid, or is it vertical? So I have to. As for me, I know the dimensions of it. It was kind of easy for me to spray accordingly.
You are winking or spraying on straight globe, spraying in
I don't think that happened.
Hiyo ni muhimu vibaya mno. Huwezi kujua tulihangaika hapa, yani mpaka tunakuja kujua kwamba inabidi utafute hiyo hairspray.
So actually, the printing process will not start until the set temperature for the print bed is met.